Guys, it's again. Today we're back with a basketball action and a CNC player. I'm so getting my life. And if you want to do some clips and stuff, go use hashtag CNC. So like if I summer games. We're here outside for the first time in the summer. We're live on C. Just kidding, we're not live. We are on CNC. If you want to watch more summer games action, subscribe to the Cedric and Connor channel. Subscribe to it and subscribe to Cedric Sports. So let's get started, Connor. One minute. Cool. And now here we go. First to 30. Oh yeah, we're gonna tell the rules. First 30 points, no time limit. Here we go. Stop. Oh, get on my neck.
I'm not fair. You run into it.
Oh, fast. I'm going to hit my neck though. That's a foul. No problem. Oh, 33. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Come Connor. Oh my god, he hit the. We're going to call it 3 because past years it's car station 2. Excuse me, 3. I said a little layup shot. 3-2. Here goes Connor. We got 3 here. Connor 3. It's good. 6-2, Connor. Now Cedric is 3. I'm gonna crossover. Hits the 3. 6-5, 7. Comes Connor.
I thought it was near giraffe.
Connor, he hasn't missed a 3-pointer yet. That's a 3 again. Looking for it. Make him choose. Oh, no good. For 6-7. Oh, no. I'm reading. 8-5. Connor's rest. He knows get the ball now. It's also.
Let's have 6.
No. It's 8-5, Connor. Cedric got deep 3.
Where am I 8?
No, I'm 8. 11-5. No, Connor, I'm 8.
I have it 6.
I'm 8. You had 6?
Yeah.
So that means it's 9-6. I just scored. Go. It's 9-6. Connor, no good. Cedric with the rebound. No, combinations. Cedric with 3. No good. Connor won't get that rebound. I know he does. Now Connor. Look for that 3. He won't hit it. Connor fed! I saved it. And now it's team 3. Halfway out of it. 12, 6, 7. Connor for 3. Good. Slow that pace down. There's a little bit. Cedric for 3. No good. No bang. Here comes Connor. Look for that deep 3. Can he hit it? For 3. And he hits it. 12-9. Whoa. That was great. Oh my. Get up. Crossover. Whoa. No. No, but 3. Oh, look at that rebound. Bounce it out. Good box out. Oh no. Now Connor's up with 3. Well, hit it. See, hey, I saw 12 here. CNC to the fast again. Right, Potter. Hits it. Ah. Here.
How are you making it in the sun?
Now Connor for 3. Oh, good pass to Cedric. 17-12, Cedric. Good Cedric. Connor. Go to drives, attacks. Good basket. Connor for 3. No good. You're gonna have to control this game. 3-pointer. Oh! It's on. Dagger 4 over Connor's head. He airballed off. Airball. We had a bounce and it bangs.
Time out.
That'll be tackled by Connor. We'll get back on CNC. Guys, this is Connor. Just a reminder, watch our new talk show, CNC Big City Green Talks, with some new recap of some new Big City Greens, some popular episodes. All right, back to the action. We're back, guys. 17-12 Cedric with you guys. Forgot the score. 17-12 Cedric. Here we go in this wonderful night game. Excuse me. That's Connor on the ball. Just started off the nice, beautiful day over here. And here goes Connor. Got it for 3. Look up and Connor will miss after. Cedric is stuck. Trout. Oh, solid. He'll miss it. But a good run. Where is Connor going?
It's too solid.
Whoa. Take the ball over there. Whoa. It's a foul, Connor. Like a foul. It's huggy.
You made me hug.
Bro, no, there's no such thing as me, Connor. I'm trying to get there. You're covering me. Oh, so triple try. No! I have 17-12 seconds for that little layup. There comes Connor. To the basket. Connor, look at that. Right now. Cedric in the center 3. Got it. 22-12. Cedric on a little streak right now. Here, 22. Well, Cedric. Connor 3. Now cut. Cedric. Put it up. 24-12. 6 points to win. Connor. He has been a little slow today. Slowing down the pace. Just a little bit. Oh, sorry. There was that one. It will go out of bounds. Let's see 2 threes. Can it become a dagger? No, man. Time's a 7 before it goes to the grass. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! It's a 3. Oh my God! Connor hits a 2. 27-14. No, you can't do that. Can't do that. Hey! No foul for the game. Oh! Hits it right there. Hits it right there. Hits it. 14 toucher. Let's go. That was Cedric again.
Connor.
Peace.